guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a little masking technique. I'm using our new stamp set, Just a Note. This was available in our new box of the month for January. It has sold out, but I do have a few of these stamps left over and they are available in the shop under the Not Too Shabby section. We're going to be working with the paper as well. So this paper is also available for sale individually under the Not Too Shabby section. So what I did was I created a mask for the outline of the bottle. I left the center open so I could stamp my little hearts. Now I'm stamping down what I want in front first, then I'm creating a mask to put over the hearts. That way when I stamp something on top of it, it'll look like it's behind it. So I'm going to keep doing this till my bottle is full, and then we're going to have a cute little scene with hearts in a bottle. So there's a cute sentiment that goes with the stamp set. You have my heart, and I thought it was perfect for this little scene. If you are interested in joining the Box of the Month Club, that's going to reserve you a box each month until you cancel. I'm going to go ahead and open up some spots if you want to join the club. So when you check out, you're going to change the frequency to monthly. There's a little drop down and you're going to click on that and choose monthly. That'll get you a 5% discount and that will guarantee your box every month. It'll ship every 30 days. So if you're purchasing today, you'll be getting your February box, which is going to be the Easter box, around January 20th. You'll get your box before release day. Okay, so I'm going to work on taking off the masks, and now you can see all the hearts in there and how cute that looks. Now you could do this with the little envelope that comes with the stamp. You can do it with any other stamps that you have in your stash. You could fill this bottle with perfume. Say you want to draw in a line to make it look like there's liquid in the bottle. You can stamp the words right there inside the bottle. That looks super cute as well. There's a rose that fits in there. Lots of ideas for the stamp set. So I'm going to go ahead and put my sentiment up there at the top. And then I'm going to do some Copic coloring and then we'll put this card together. So I put my papers together. I love that print with the hearts mixed with the red and then a touch of black. I just love these colors. So I added my panel here with foam tape so it's lifted off the panel, and I thought that just gave it some dimension to the card. I did add a shine mark on top of the hearts. That way it looks like the bottle is shiny and the hearts are inside the bottle. So I'm going to top this off with some sequins and that will finish this card. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are enjoying the box of the month, and I'd love to hear what your favorite stamp set from the box is down below in the comments. And here's some more inspiration from the design team for this stamp set. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!